Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My wife and I are going to take the dogs for a walk out at Chalco Hills Recreation area today. This is a look at the website. It says Chalco Hills Recreation Area in southwest Omaha is the metro area's premier outdoor recreation facility. At Chalco, you can try your luck with fishing, relax at a picnic site, bike, hike, or jog more than 7 miles of trails. The north loop is 4.5 miles, the full loop is 7.2 miles. It says open 6 to 10, 7 days a week. There's more information on there for how big the lake is, what kind of fish it contains, if that's something that you're interested in. This is the map of Chalco Hills Recreation Area. We're actually going to park in this parking lot right here. Our dogs are pretty small. They only really want to walk 2.5 miles or so before they need to break. So we're gonna walk on the trail down to the lake right here, follow the trail along the lake to the footbridge, cross the footbridge, and then walk on the path on this side of the lake down to this fishing pier and picnic area. We might go a little farther than that, but we'll actually probably end up somewhere over here and then turn around and head back the same way back to the parking lot. And we're also going to drive around the park. By the time we get done with our walk, it'll be pretty close to sunset, so we're also going to drive around the park and just take pictures and video of some of the wildlife that we see in the park.